Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Masumi from Japan. Today's lesson R row and W row. Let's get started. So let's listen and repeat. La, la, la. It's a little different from the English. It's la, it's TT sound in a better or water. Okay, so let's see how to write. 1, 2. Looks like love it. La. Let's read the word ramen. Repeat ramen. This means Japanese noodle. Next, listen and repeat. Ri. 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 Okay, let's see how to write. 1, 2. It looks like river. This R sound. Remember. Let's read the word risu. Risu. This means squirrel. Let's listen and repeat. Ru. 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 Don't say ru. It's short. Ru. So let's see how to write. This shape looks like loop. The loop has at the bottom. Let's read the word saru. Saru. This means monkey. Next, listen and repeat. Re. 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 So let's see how to write. It looks like a ribbon. So this is our sound. Remember. Let's read the word lemon. 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 This means lemon. Okay, listen and repeat. Lo. 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 Let's see how to write. See, lo and ru are similar. Ru has a loop at the bottom, but ro doesn't. Let's read the word iro. Iro. This means color. Let's move on to the W row. Listen and repeat. Wa. 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 So this W is different from the English. Relax your lip and don't round your lip too much. Relax. Wa. Wa. So let's see how to write. Wa. Look. So wa and le is very similar, but wa has a round, so it looks like watermelon, and it looks like a ribbon, and R sound. Let's read the word watashi. Watashi. This means I or me. Listen and repeat. O. 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 So don't read W sound. Just say O. It's written in Romaji. And it's used as particle. Let's see how to write. It looks like conductor in orchestra has O sound. Okay, next. This sounds like a in pen, the nasal sound. Let's see how to write. So this shape looks like N. So sounds N. So let's read the word home. Home. This means book. So it's quiz time. Can you read? Ri. Ro. Wa. O. Ramen. Iro. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. And if you have any question, leave a comment. And keep practicing and see you next time.